The DevOps Engineering on AWS class is intended for DevOps engineers who are looking to make use of AWS services to build their DevOps pipeline. It focuses on DevOps practices and CI/CD tools that can deliver the whole automated and agile process of delivering applications within AWS. The class is very well suited for DevOps engineers, developers, and SysOps engineers who are looking for insight into how to develop their application efficiently in the AWS cloud. There are some prerequisites for this class. The first prerequisite is having attended the SysOps engineering or developing on AWS course or having equivalent experience to those. Working knowledge of high-level programming languages is a bonus, and having the ability to deliver scripts and write automation documents will also help for this class. In the 3-day class, there's almost 50% of time dedicated to hands-on labs, so DevOps engineers can really get the experience required to get started